Soaring above the clouds, the allure of private jet travel. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a world that many dream of but few experience firsthand. We've all been stuck on a plane crammed into tight seats with barely any legroom. We've endured those long lines at security, the endless waiting and the frustration of delays that seem to stretch on forever. And let's not even talk about the middle seat, the struggle to find a comfortable position, the lack of personal space. Now imagine a world without those hassles, a world where travel is a pleasure, not a chore. A world where you glide past the crowd, step onto a luxurious aircraft and soar to your destination in absolute comfort and privacy. No lines, no waiting, just pure unadulterated luxury. That's the allure of private jet travel. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience. It's the ultimate symbol of luxury, freedom and convenience. Imagine sipping champagne in a spacious cabin, reclining in plush leather seats and enjoying gourmet meals at 30,000 feet. For some, it's a necessity. Business executives who need to maximize their time, celebrities avoiding the paparazzi, or politicians on tight schedules. For others, it's a dream, a symbol of success and the ultimate indulgence. But one thing's for sure, private jet travel holds a certain mystique. It's a world shrouded in exclusivity and allure. Today we're going behind the scenes to explore the glamorous world of private jets. From the meticulous maintenance to the personalized service, every detail is crafted to perfection. We'll delve into the perks, the price tags, and everything in between. Buckle up. We'll uncover what makes this mode of travel so irresistible. So is the private jet lifestyle all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. Join us on this journey through the skies and discover the true essence of private jet travel. A world of luxury, pampered in the sky. Step inside a private jet and you will enter a realm of opulence and comfort. Forget cramped seats and airplane food. Think plush leather recliners, spacious cabins and gourmet meals prepared by private chefs. You can enjoy personalized entertainment systems, high-speed Wi-Fi and even bedrooms and showers on larger jets. Imagine sipping champagne while catching up on work or enjoying a movie marathon with your loved ones. The level of customization and personalized service is unparalleled. From the moment you arrive at the private terminal to the moment you touch down, every detail is tailored to your preferences. It's like having your own flying penthouse. The price of privacy, hidden costs and considerations. But before you start packing your bags, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Private jet travel comes with a hefty price tag. We're talking hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars to own a jet, plus ongoing expenses like maintenance, fuel, and crew salaries. Chartering a jet is a more accessible option, but it still costs a pretty penny. Then there are the hidden costs: landing fees, hangar storage, and insurance premiums. It's not just about the flights. It's about maintaining a lifestyle. So while the allure is undeniable, the financial commitment is significant. It's essential to consider all the costs before taking the plunge. Owning versus chartering, weighing the options. So you're ready to experience the private jet lifestyle, but should you buy or charter? Owning a jet is like owning a piece of the sky. You have ultimate control over your schedule, destination, and on-board experience. But it's a huge financial responsibility. Chartering offers more flexibility. You can choose the jet that best suits your needs for each trip without the long-term commitment. It's like renting a luxury car versus owning one. Both have their perks, but it comes down to your budget and how frequently you'll be flying. Think of it like this. Owning is like having a personal chef on call 24/7, while chartering is like enjoying a gourmet meal at a fancy restaurant whenever you like. Section 5. Time is money, the ultimate luxury. One of the biggest advantages of private jet travel is time saving. No more waiting in endless lines, rushing through crowded terminals, or dealing with delayed flights. With private jets, you set your own schedule. You can arrive at the airport minutes before takeoff and fly directly to smaller airports closer to your final destination. This is especially valuable for business travelers who need to maximize their time and productivity. Imagine being able to fly to multiple cities in a single day without the hassle of commercial airports. Time is precious, and private jets give you the gift of more of it. Section 6. Environmental impact, a growing concern. Now, it's important to address the environmental impact of private jet travel. Private jets have a much larger carbon footprint per passenger than commercial flights. This is a growing concern, and many in the industry are working towards sustainable solutions, such as using sustainable aviation fuels and carbon offsetting. It's about enjoying the privileges of private aviation while being mindful of our planet. We need to find ways to make private jet travel more eco-friendly for future generations. Section 7, the security blanket, safety and peace of mind. Safety and security are paramount in private jet travel. You're flying with experienced pilots and crews, and the aircraft undergo rigorous maintenance checks. Plus, you have the added benefit of privacy and exclusivity, which can provide a sense of security, especially for high-profile individuals or those traveling with valuable assets. It's like having your own personal security detail in the sky. Section 8. The social factor status symbol or practical choice. There's no denying that private jets are often seen as status symbols. They represent success, exclusivity, and a certain level of achievement. But for many, it's simply a practical choice. It's about convenience, efficiency, and the freedom to travel on their own terms. It's about choosing the travel option that best suits your needs and priorities. Section 9. A day in the life comparing commercial versus private jet travel. Let's compare a typical day of travel for a business executive flying from Los Angeles to New York City. Wake up early to catch a 6 a.m. flight. The alarm rings before dawn, and you reluctantly get out of bed knowing a long day lies ahead. Navigate through traffic to get to the airport. The morning rush hour adds to the stress as you inch your way through congested streets. Wait in long lines for security checks. The security lines seem endless and you anxiously watch the clock, hoping you won't miss your flight. Endure a 5+ hour flight with limited legroom and amenities. The cramped seats make it difficult to get comfortable, and the lack of space makes working or relaxing a challenge. Collect luggage and navigate through a crowded airport. After landing, you wait at the baggage claim, surrounded by other weary travelers. Travel to your final destination, exhausted from the journey. By the time you reach your hotel or meeting, you're drained and just want to rest. Wake up at your leisure and enjoy a relaxing morning. With private jet travel, your day starts differently. You wake up refreshed, enjoying a leisurely breakfast and coffee. Arrive at the private terminal minutes before departure. There's no rush. You arrive at the private terminal just minutes before your flight. Breeze through security and board the jet. Security is a breeze with no long lines or invasive checks. Enjoy a comfortable and productive flight with all the amenities you need. The spacious, luxurious cabin allows you to work, relax, or even sleep comfortably. Land at a smaller airport closer to your final destination. You land at a smaller, less crowded airport, often closer to your final destination, saving you valuable time. Arrive refreshed and ready for your meeting. The difference is clear. You step off the jet feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your day. Private jet travel allows you to focus on what matters most, your business or your leisure time. With private jet travel, you can focus on what truly matters, whether it's your business or enjoying some leisure time. Without the stress and exhaustion of commercial travel. The stress and exhaustion of commercial travel are left behind, making your journey as pleasant as your destination. Section 10, the final verdict. Is the private jet lifestyle worth it? So, is the private jet lifestyle worth it? This is a question that many people ponder, especially those who dream of traveling in ultimate luxury and style. Like most things in life, it depends. There are several factors to consider when determining if this high-flying lifestyle is right for you. It's a luxurious and convenient way to travel, offering unparalleled privacy, flexibility, and comfort. Imagine skipping long security lines, avoiding crowded terminals, and having the freedom to fly on your own schedule. But it comes with a significant financial commitment and environmental impact. The costs of owning, maintaining, and operating a private jet can be astronomical, not to mention the carbon footprint associated with such travel. If you value time, efficiency, and exclusivity above all else and have the means to afford it, then private jet travel might be right for you. For business executives and high-profile individuals, the benefits can outweigh the costs. But if you're budget-conscious or concerned about your carbon footprint, there are more practical alternatives. Commercial flights, trains, and even car travel can offer comfort and convenience without the hefty price tag or environmental guilt. Ultimately, the decision is personal. It's about what you value most in your travel experience. It's about weighing the pros and cons and determining what's most important to you. Consider your priorities, whether it's saving time, enjoying luxury, or being mindful of your budget and the environment. And that's our show for today. We hope this exploration of the private jet lifestyle has given you some food for thought. Remember, whether you're flying high in the sky or keeping it grounded, the most important thing is to enjoy the journey. See you next time.